Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Placement Talks. My name is Darshan and you are watching our channel Placement Talks. So Placement Talks is a platform where we will be sharing all the job updates for freshers, for off-campus jobs, for 2021 passouts, 2020 passouts and government jobs and also internship updates. If you want to receive all the job updates daily, then you need to subscribe to our channel, then press the bell icon. So you will be notified whenever we upload a new update of the job. And you can also join our Telegram group where we will be sharing 2 to 3 job updates on the daily basis. If you are not eligible for the particular role, then you can share this profile to your friends, groups and family members who are searching for the job. It will be very helpful for them to finding the job. So today we will be discussing about the one of the best internship opportunity provided by the Green Institute internship. So by the end of this video, you will be knowing that who all can apply for this, what are the benefits of this internship and who all can apply for this internship. So watch the video till the end. One plus point is any graduate students can apply for this. For example, if you are a BTech or BCA, MCA, any kind of graduations can be applied for this internship. The best part of this is an international internship where not only the Indian students will apply for this, also the other country students also can participate in this internship. So by the end of this video, you will be able to apply and you will be knowing all the details of this internship. Also, we will be discussing about what are the skills required to apply for this internship and what is the duration of this internship, and also by the end of this internship what you will get. So let's get started. The duration of this internship will be of 6 months and the eligible students are if you are currently studying in any of the semester, like for example first semester, second semester, third year, fourth year or the final year, then you can apply for this whether you are graduating in 2021 or 2022. Also they have mentioned that the students who are graduated in 2020 and 2019 can also apply for this job. This is the great opportunity. I suggest everyone must apply for this internship. Also, you will be getting many benefits from these internships like gaining the experience about the application of sustainability in their various fields, full access to the course content of the principles of green and sustainability science, and also the network with other sustainability leaders around the world. These are the some benefits. Also, you get some other benefits we will be discussing later. The eligibility criteria are you must be a student of academic institute or graduate of not more than 2 years. Must be have some knowledge of digital tools such as computer and internet connections. And this internship is open to all nationalities. As I suggested, this is not only for Indian students, this can be applied by other country students as well as. This is one of the great opportunity to work in this company as an intern. So I suggest everyone apply for this. So in this video I am going to tell how you can apply for this role. So watch the video till the end. If you want daily job updates, then you can follow us on social media. The links are given in the description box. So let us check how to apply for this role. The application process will be of 5 stages. Stage 1, you need to record a video of 60 seconds and upload it to their site, or else you can also upload it to on your YouTube channel, then you can give your link. Second is evaluation. If you are selected, then you will be notified. Third will be interview. You will be having a 15 minutes interview between 22nd Feb to 25th Feb. And the fourth is acceptance letter. You will be receiving an acceptance letter if you are selected for this role. That is on 20th March. And the internship period will be starting from 5th April. If you want to apply for this, click on the apply button and you will be redirected to their application form site. Here you can log in or create your account and fill the application form. So that's it for today guys. Application link is given in the description box. If you want more job updates, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you will never miss any job updates. If you want daily regular job updates, then join our Telegram group. Links are given in the description box. You can also follow us on our Instagram to get the latest notifications. So thanks for watching.